Good evening, sir. Justifying circumstances. A person who acts under any justifying circumstances enumerated under the RPC does not commit a crime under the law. Requisites of self-defense. Unlawful aggression. Reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Number 2. Requisites of defense of relatives. Unlawful aggression. Reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent it, and the person defending acts in defense of the person or rights of his spouse, descendants, legitimate, natural or adopted brothers or sisters, relatives by affinity, except the spouse of the same degrees, like in son-in-law, brother-in-law, etc., or relatives by consanguinity with the fourth civil degree. In case the provocation was given by the person attacked, but the one making defense had no fault therein. Number 3. Requisites of defense of stranger. Unlawful aggression. Reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. That the person defending himself, the defending be not induced by revenge, resentment, or other evil motives. Requisites of avoidance of greater evil or injury. The evil sought to be avoided actually exists. The injury feared be greater than that done to be avoided. There be no other practical and less harmful means of preventing it. Number 5. Requisites of fulfillment of duty or lawful exercise of right or office. The offender acts in the proper fulfillment of duty or in the lawful exercise of right or office, and the injury inflicted be necessary in the proper performance of duty or in the lawful exercise of right or office. Number 6. Requisites of obedience to an order issued for some lawful purpose. The person acts in obedience to an order. The order was issued by a superior officer. The order is for some lawful purpose, and the injury or damage sustained or inflicted is the necessary consequence of an act of obedience to the lawful order. When the aggressor runs away, the one making a defense has no more right to invoke self-defense. The number of the stab wounds and the nature thereof believe the theory of self-defense. Defense of a relative cannot be claimed if the relative defended is the aggressor. Thank you very much.